Now students, today I'll be showing you program in C, and that is also a common question that comes in the examinations, that is a prime number or not. So whether a particular number is prime or not, so first of all, let us look at the program and try to analyze what the program is telling us. So a program to check. So whenever you are doing a program, read the program and try to analyze the program, the points, the basic points, what the program to check. So the main thing is check, you are checking it. So what you are checking? You are checking what? Check CH3, CK. What you are checking? You are checking whether a number is prime or not. So checking a number, so it's assumed that for a prime means whether it is a prime number. So number is over here. So the number is here, so you know like number. So if the number, you over here number, anyway I have done number. So number is prime or not, so what is the condition of a prime number? So a prime number is a number, you know always, that which is divisible by 1 and the number itself. So suppose 7 is the prime number. Why? Because 7 can be divisible by 1, number 1 and the number 7. So you can find that there are two possible things, there are two factors that can come out by dividing that thing, that is the number 7 and 1, that is 2. So now I have given this logic that will be coming in your program. So first of all, let us take this one. So including STD and standard input output, we are accepting library function, the library function to do the input output. So we are doing that. Then we come to the conai.h, that is the getch we are using over here. Input output streams, that is a printf and all will be taken care of, the std.h, standard input output. And the conai.h will be taken care of this getch, which can hold the screen for a time. So now, in advanced versions, we don't require this getch as such, no problem, we don't give it, but we can see the output rightly. But even though if you don't give the getch, we have to go to the ROS shell to find out the output. So we are given that. Now, initialization is the first part, that is initialization means we are initializing the variables, that is A, and we have taken as I is equal to 1 and count is equal to 0. Anywhere there is a problem, I will tell you why there is a problem. So count is there, so this count we have taken as a variable, and this variable count you will be counting the number. So I have told you that if for any number to be a prime number, only two numbers will be present, the number itself and 1. So number itself and 1. I have taken the example of 7. So two numbers, that is 7 and 1. I have told that. Now, coming to say enter the number, so first of all, we will be entering the number, and the printing, for printing printf enter the number, we can use /n for going to the new line, not use /n, no problem, it will come over here automatically, and scanf will accept the particular value of the variable. So this is the variable, the value will be accepted at %n, so it's taken the particular location, you will find out, and it will give the number 7, the name is A. So A is the variable. Now whenever there is a variable, if you want to find the factors, whether it is divisible or not, so we have to take a look. So what from number 1 to the end of the particular number, that is number A, that is number 7, so we are just dividing by I. A by I means we are dividing and we are getting the remainder. That's why the mod function. The mod function which gives the remainder. So whether the remainder is equal to 0, so the remainder will be 0 only when if it is divisible. If it is not divisible, it will not be equal to 0. So you very well understand the 7. If you come from the number 1 to 7, as per 1 to 7, so two numbers will come. If two numbers are not coming, three numbers are coming, then that means it is not a prime number. So now let us check out. So 7, we take the 7 and we divide by 1 first of all. 7 1 times, so count will be 1. Because 1 time by 1 it goes. By 2, 7 does not go. The loop starts, initial value 1, then the final value is 7. Because A is equal to 7. Next loop it comes out, then 2. not divisible, 3 it is not divisible, 4 it is not divisible, so counter will not increment. 6, 5 not divisible, 5 is not divisible by 7. And then also 6 will not be divisible, 7 will be divisible, and the 7 will be encountering 1, the counter will be 1 plus 1 when it comes to 7, so it is divisible, equal to 0, so counter will be incremented. If it is not equal to 0, it will not increment, and the counter is now raised to 2. So now C is equal to 2. So if the value of C is equal to 2, then it will print it is a prime number. So if it is more than 2, it will not print, it will come here, so it is not a prime number. So you can understand very well how I have deduced from the program over here and shown you whether a particular number is prime or not. Many one of you may do the program, but at times you make mistake in this part, in the counter, how many times it will go over here, I less than equal to, or somebody tells I less than A. So these are the particular points where we go wrong. So I have explained that, understood, clear. Any problem, let me know. Thank you.